Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today we have a new unboxing. Yep, this is the Parkside Cordless Combi screwdriver impact driver / impact driver, the model PDOS 12A1. Let's see some of the specs. We have a battery of 12 volt, lithium 2 ampere hours. We have a max torch 90 Newman, nominal impact rate 0 to 600. And second year 0 to 300 ppm, rated on load rotation 0 to 400, and second year to 0 to 2200. Total holder hexagon 1/4, charging approximately 60 minutes. Very nice. We have 3 years warranty, 12 volt battery, as I say. Some pictures here for the max Newman. 60 minutes charging. This is the tool, how it looks. Some pictures here. And let's see what we have inside. This is a new tool, this is a new line from Lidl. It has the new 12 volt battery, new shape, new design. And voila! Inside we're going to find the manuals. Here's the manuals. If you want to read it, it's your choice. And the charger. The charger is the same with the other video I made for the cordless circular saw. You will see it right in the corner. It is 12 volt, 2.4 ampere hours. Yeah, very nice. We have indicator that is not charged and charged, full charged, of course. You can see the oldest tools in the corner of my video with the oldest battery and the design. Well, that is all about. This is the battery inside, how it looks. Very nice. Let's put it again. Left, right, first and second year. We don't have any bits here. Other times Lidl give us some bits, but now nothing. But it's very powerful. It moves, yeah. Well, definitely I will do a testing for this tool as I made for all the tools, and you will see how powerful is it and what job it can handle. Well, very nice tool from the first perspective, and optical is very nice. Well, that was all, guys. Oh, don't forget, it has an LED light to lighting your job, what you are doing. And this is the impact drive mechanism. Definitely I will test it and we will see how it goes. Thank you again for watching, guys, this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video is your choice, but hit the notification bell because you don't want to miss it. The next videos that are coming are very important. I'm going to test these tools and share the video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day again. Bye bye.